Hey guys, we are on the spot live with
Miss Glitter Nail Lounge.
Hey Miss Glitter, so what brings you out today?
We're just here giving all the celebrities, Maddies and Fetties, getting them all blinged out and glittered out.
So I heard you say you are working with celebrities. What celebrities have you worked with thus far?
Monique Slaughter from Love and Hip Hop LA, Raquel from TMZ. Those are two of our biggest clients.
I've noticed that a lot of nail salons, period, because I go to one too. Actually, I need you guys to hook me up really quick, but they don't really talk about nail care. Can you tell me a little bit more about that? Because a lot of us come into the nail salons just to do a quick nails and toes, and that's big business. Can you tell me and everybody else out there, like what kind of questions we need to ask when we come in? What kind of care do we need to get?
Cleanliness, sanitation is very important. That's number one. Number two, you don't need to file the entire nail off. You need to have some to remain so to be stable and not break in the middle, not peel, and not be in a state of pain when you're getting your service. You're never supposed to feel pain, and we make sure that you don't at our salon at Miss Glitter Nail Lounge.
I'm off to get me a nail job.
You know, we on the spot.